What's going on, y'all? My name is Tim, and I like doing stuff. Well, today, it's a little bit of a different story here in North Georgia. This time last week, it was 71 degrees. The low tonight is 17 degrees. So the chickens need a little bit of extra attention to make sure they get through the night all right. Let's go see what we do. Well, the first thing we do is give them a little bit of extra cracked corn. It increases their body temperature. If you give it to them right before they go to bed, they digest it all night. Give them plenty of cracked corn. You don't want to solely give them cracked corn, but give them additional with whatever it is that you're feeding them. Another thing you can do is make sure they got plenty of bedding to keep them warm. Obviously, give them some good shelter and a place to get out of the wind. And I've been reading that another good thing to give them is lots of greens during the winter. Try to give them as many greens as I can. Get this little manual push mower. Give them lots of lawn clipping. Give them lots of lawn clippings and stuff. But I just happen to have a whole bag of starting to brown up lettuce, so we'll give them some of that too. And obviously, make sure they got access to fresh water, because hydration helps. But definitely giving them the cracked corn right before they go to bed is super helpful. Especially these chickens have gotten used to having 60s, 70s here for the last couple of weeks. Now tonight it's supposed to be down in the 20s, down to 17. So that extra energy stored up inside them, they digest it all night, so it'd be really good for them. So there, it's the next morning. As you can see, everybody made it just fine through the night. Alright, well thank you for watching. Be sure to hit the subscribe button, thumbs up, thumbs down, and I'll see you all on the next one. Cheers.